All right, so this is the official for sale video of my 350Z drift car. So I've had this car for probably about 5 years now, and I have no issues with it. I love it, but the only reason why I'm selling it is so that I can finish my chaser. So I will go into detail of what all comes with it and all of the glory that is this car. These are all the spare parts that will come with it. I have 2 sets of stock 18-inch Z wheels. I have a pair of Feisters, some fake Meisters. I have catless downpipes that are brand new and I never installed. I have a spare pair of 50mm over fenders for the car in case you ever destroy those. Spare fender. I have the stock headlight buckets. So I always wanted to make like a frame to hold these and put these in place so that it looks like I have headlights, but really it's just those cube lights. Never did that yet, but hopefully one of you will, or whoever ends up with the car will. Car's on VSKFs. It's got a full FD spec cage. It's got tube front end, tube rear end, and it's got the 50mm wide body. I think Crown Carbon Crafting makes them. I have a spare rear set just in case. Sparco seats, they are expired. I put a FRS dashboard and surprisingly it fits really well. I think it looks great. So I was able to get that to fit. I did a radio delete. I still have the 350Z cluster. Everything works but the speedo because I don't have the sensors in the diff. The metal dimple dyed dice. Now it is a street car, quote unquote street car, so you have to have cup holders, and I made some out of titanium exhaust scraps that I had laying around. And they are removable too, so you can pop them up, put them in the glove box, which I also made these door cards. They are, I don't even know what kind of material. It's like a signboard material that I wrapped in suede. And then I got the pull release. And then I relocated the locks and those. And then, what else? Sparco steering wheel. I think this is a PBM Hydro, and I just made my own little pull handle with a hockey stick. This is actually out of the BC Racing shorts that they sold. It's like the pockets. It had like this decorative liner, and so I made it into a little shift boot. Little cool points. It's on BC Racing coilovers. It has the FDF Mega Mantis angle kit, and it's got fully adjustable arms, front and rear. Mishimoto radiator. It is lifetime warranty. Ask me how I know. And I built this expansion tank since the stock one had a little hole in it. Everything else is pretty much stock. So it has I want to say a stage 2 ACT clutch. The CDO9 transmission, 1 through 4 shifts great, and 5 and 6, they grind if you're hauling ass. If you let the RPMs drop down low, it won't grind, but the whole front support is removable, and everything on the car has been TIG welded, so there is no MIG welding here. Fucking, what the hydro is a dual caliper hydro setup. The lines are ran to this T, which then go from the inside to the calipers. I made this like plexiglass firewall. It is removable. And then the hatch uses these arrow catch pins. Both seats have 4-point harnesses. I made the center console. It's custom, just sheet metal, bent, welded, and then I wrapped the top with like a foam padding, and then I wrapped the whole thing in the suede, same as the door cards. So that's pretty much it. Everything you see as it sits, I'm asking 18 grand. If you want a little bit of a better price, the best I could do would be 15 grand, but that would be if I take the VSKFs off and I'll just throw one of the spare stock wheels. Everything as is, it needs nothing. It's ready for the track. I do have it registered. It's got a plate on the car, so I drive it on the street. If you got any questions, you could DM me on Instagram, or you can shoot me a message on Facebook Messenger where this will be listed. There should be a link somewhere. I got a P3 gauge, so I have it set for battery voltage, but when you start it up, it'll tell you like the codes if you have any, and you can go through and... Oh, and I'm also selling my 32-foot enclosed trailer, so hit me up if you want it. Package deal.